Alright you guys, so this is the before of my hair. In today's video I'm getting layers. I have never had layers in my hair before. I am so excited. So my girl Jess is cutting my hair. Right now she's just like seeing how my hair looks dry without it being cut, and she's just gonna trim off some of the dead pieces that are like already hanging down. But like I said, I haven't cut my hair in literally so long, which I know is horrible, and here's me making YouTube videos and not even trimming my hair. So I wanted some subtle layers for my hair. I didn't want anything too dramatic, but I did want to add some volume and have more definition in my hair, and that's exactly what she did. So go ahead and stay tuned to the end of the video to see exactly how my hair came out. The first thing she did was split my hair up into sections, and she's combing out my hair. She did start by just trimming the ends. It took about like inch and a half off of my hair, I'm pretty sure, so not too much, not I think too dramatic. Like I said, I want something subtle, and I could have taken more off because my hair does have some split ends, but I was kind of scared, you know, shrinkage and all that. So next time I'll probably cut off some more. So she's going through all the sections and just giving me an overall trim. I will have her Instagram link down below if you guys are in my area. She was very cool. We talked the whole time, and I love the results. She was not too pricey or anything like that. So if you guys are interested, her Instagram will be down below. I feel like my hair looks so long right here. I love this part. And right now she's going through and cutting some of the layers in the front of my hair. And if you guys are interested, I did make a reel on this haircut, so my Instagram will be down below as well. This will just give me some volume and dimension in the front, so it would be like shorter in the front, longer in the back. And right now she's splitting up my hair to give me the layers. She was just brushing my hair up and then trimming. I don't exactly know the terms, but yeah, that's basically what she explained, and this will just give me a effortless look, exactly what I want. And it looks like she's cutting a lot off, but you can't even tell since there's layers and there's still like longer layers, you know? So it's just the shorter layers are just giving my hair more volume. I feel like it's so satisfying to watch this video, and her brushing my hair just looks so cool to me. I haven't had my hair professionally done in so long, so this is like this is like a luxury for me, so I'm very happy with the results, and I'm so excited to go back because she did amazing. Alright, so this is after she styled my hair, and now she's going to diffuse. I didn't record the styling part because she just put products in. So now she's diffusing my hair with the Diva Curl Diffuser, and I fell in love with this. I really want one after this. And as you can see, my hair already looks way more defined. And now she's just going through and cutting off any pieces that are longer than the rest and just making sure everything looks nice. You guys, look at the definition. That's crazy. Like what a haircut will do. So I recommend everyone, if you haven't yet, go ahead and get your hair trimmed. Start off the year right. As you guys can see, I did not lose that much hair. Like this is barely anything, so don't be scared to go get a trim. Alright, and so the before and after is coming up. as you guys can see, there is a huge difference with the volume, the definition. It's just an insane difference. So yeah, like I said, she will be linked down below. I'm in love with the results. My Instagram would be down below as well. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.